Video's probably better.
Anya, where's the lizard? Can you show me the lizard? What kind of lizard is it, Anya?
Oh!
Oh, it's a gecko. 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 What's that? That's the bearded dragon. Anya, what kind of noise do snakes make? Anya. We're like the paparazzi.
Anya.
It's a bearded dragon. Are you talking to them? You want to give him food? Are you nervous? See,
I am Ciculta tortoise. Sulcata.
So is he like a land turtle?
He's an African turtle.
Oh, so he's used to being in dry, hot areas.
Probably. Ooh, you sneezed, Anya. Bless you. Very bright light.
Look at, see, Anya didn't take a bath too, Anya.
Let's go.
Who are you waving bye to, Anya? Watch out for bird poopy.
Watch out for the bird poop.
Watch out for your bird poop. You almost stepped one on.
I know, I see it.